Mulunze Moze Kenekwamu and Nobasin Ketata became on name on a very big important video in Chokun. I'm near now wonder can the engineer this video this title. I better maybe massage your emotions. I be maybe wagging kibizuku ye quiquete. Man at the end of the day, everything in Ngwaluna about this election now unfold small to your very eyes. Somebody like week after Oshun election, Biabiaku Senate and Nobulu Tinubu decided not to take over Oshun State. That him himself will go and collect Oshun State and hand over to Tinubu. But that is not why we are here. So for the game video, go and make your findings. You make your findings. I am a Igbo na like Maribia na Tolias, even if that in maybe. If one hatch tough man or you hear me home, as a can to ask you, we make it which tend the bike, I imagine us and set up people. It's a lie. My mom would hint you be a Kunumba sink. In a video, yeah, na for Nako Baketa, ya video now, son, and a good no. That a video kuno no, Ehoku, Codden.
Why am I going to drop it to Talabi Angali Senator Kagan? Nace da in zaɓi arne wanda zai mun adalci in samu duk abin da nake so a duniya in samu abinci ya sauki in samu tsaro mai fetur ya sauki kaza duk a samu wannan nace gwamma in zaɓi musulmi azzalimi wanda zai yi sanadiyar mutuwata wannan magana ta har yau tana bashi mamaki yace me kace nace yanda ka na faɗi da in zaɓi arne mun adalci ta sanadiyar shi in samu duniya in ji daɗi gwamnati ya zaɓa musulmin da ta sanade shi zai cutar da ni har sanade bar duniya ta akida kenan alwala wal bara wanda ya gane ta kai duk wanda ya gane alwala wal bara wannan shine fahimtar shi in ana maganar jibinta ba wai ana magana wai wa zai ma adalci bane ba har zaka ji an zo ana ai annabi ya ce ana ma annabi ƙarya wai Allah yana taubatar da daula kafira inda akwai adalci amma yana rusa daula musulma inda akwai zalunci kaje sakare wa yace ma shugabanci magana zalunci ko adalci shine a farko shurutul imamati al-kubra sharɗan shugabanci babba na gaba daya sharɗan ka zama shugaban kasa ko gwamna ko ciyaman wa ya ga ma ana kallon adalci ne tashin farko abu na farko sharadi na farko shine al-islam musulunci sai da musulunci ya kammala musulunci sai ya zo daya sannan za a zo akan to wane ne abin adalci imani shi adalci ma yana ta kusa shine sharadi na hudu al-islamu na farko na biyu zukuriya wato mazantaka sai in namiji ne amma a kaida in a musulunci can suka samu sabani musulma ta fito zabe arne namiji ya fito zabe wa zaka zaba musulma.
Thank you for watching. I'm Amnifugo. That's a video. Onwe ki mangota that video mana kan kowa ya na English. That video ayi no neketa. Ihe menju ya wete ya na Hausa ko no mana obolo mo nwakulia. Ya bụ gwa na imam imagonda na edu na eti mkpu ekpele na edu ha na ekpele they listen to as their preachers, as their own men of God. They are called imams. So the man Peter na eme video. We na agwa ndị be ha sị ha na it is better that no na ha nwa bụ northerners na they should put their religion ahead. That no nwekwa ihe mekata n'ụwa ka ha vote welo onye na ha eti isi ya na. That they prefer inwe onye Muslim na-egbu mmadụ na atọlụ mmadụ na embezzle ego ma go na eme everything. You define that person as azalimi. Azalimi is the highest word ndị Hausa ji describe onye gbara ajọ. So that it is better na ha nwe a Muslim azalimi na nwere imani na nwere uchi na nwere pity. Ona de bash ndị bash the imani. That's one way, but he doesn't have pity on people. That is better than how one no church than evil to a Christian yemele here ki the cheap and ki ga in a right way. What I him that na mother den don't wa but I say that it is better na how a Muslim name here in power meli here called terrible. Mere ihe ka na-egbu n'abọ na-atọrọ na-egbu n'abọ a little of fuel awụlụ 2000 bag of rice awụlụ 100,000 Imago before you buy motor you like 10,000 before you now anata sini you go to here you will like 500 naira bata that it is better for them as northerners in such people than in Christian no that they have to put their that in them as a Muslim that their religion first followed by onye nke ha followed by na akwụkwọ okwu na tina imele ihe ọma should come as number 4 or 5 in their category. That is not what they are that is not what they are looking at. Well, for this video, so it has come down to that in Ungwalono Sino. No matter how bona Peter will be melandia, at the end of the day, he's still that person they rate him to be. When me video say that he go ihe jibe na asị na Peter Obi amam agwa nge iche to election to wire because you want your conscience to live with the right that you did the right thing. An election has been done and concluded by Tinubu. Ese na asị na next video mgbe ndị Hausa turn against Kwankwaso na agbo Kwankwaso ọkụ in Kano. Gwazam onwere onye Yoruba in Lagos, no matter how it way hate or maybe even make campaign against Tinubu na Lagos, Osun State, Ogun State, Akiti State, iwe will okpu Tinubu na agbo ya ọkụ because na opposition in order to see that they want to overthrow him. You can never try it. Mananda Hausa, because of what they have and because of ihe agwago ha about Peter Obi, no ye wete no bụ Christian and no ye wete Biafra, that na ha kwesị inwe na onye okwu ha, so they decide to turn against Kwankwaso. They decided to turn against Kwankwaso because okay na afọ na ndị anyị na ha na-emeke ihe amara ihe and they don't care. Ihe dị afịa bụ their religion. The next video anụnwa in a nature kabakwa na arụ subscribe because na Peter Obi for 4th position at this election. In my prediction, I predict Tinubu 1 because in Ukwe there is nothing like free and fair election. There is nothing like every army chief of army staff na say that na there is nothing and the NATO election decide there came with violence that even them military officers cannot control it. If you can say that, then problem there. Those that are entrusted to to protect our life and properties na agwa gesegina na ndị chọrọ ịtụ ọchịchị decide anaghị enwe mgbagharị n'obodo that even them cannot control it. These things are online now. Ibezina ka say you know go and check. Na agwa gesegi go and check. Go there and check. Peter Obi for fourth hamele ebele. Tinubu first. Nyana Atiku second. Then was ike chufu onye tiga there onwe ke Peter Obi agba third. Mana for them immediately the only person ya match Tinubu corruption by corruption. Egusi fe egusi or half or half Atiku. The only person ya match osho ka egbu osho ka abo. When Peter Obi go me that in my own opinion, I'm not for your own in my own personal opinion, Peter Obi should step aside. Hapo ha. Ka go talk on now. The chief was there that no matter who not me, they have never spoken about the freedom of El-Rufai. This is over 180 days El-Rufai under detention. Ndị Igbo kan ekwute okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mana nke ha nobody because na everybody niile nọ na north. Tinubu has something against you. Tinubu has something against you, whether by direct or indirect. So hanche in a pure one haka akwa na boy. So they are still riding on him because na gene know that Muslim hakobo. That is the only thing hakwete here. So in the end of this video, in a nature, kabaro subscribe. God one.